Alright guys, what's up? I was not gonna trade today. I didn't record the AM because I woke up late and then I also didn't feel like I was gonna see anything. So I just didn't decide to record and I just sat there and watched the charts. Didn't find a trade. Obviously would have recorded if I did find a trade. Anyway, I hopped off for the day without any trades until now. I just saw this nice trade and took this and we went straight to TP on NASDAQ. So I'm just gonna do a quick little recap on what I saw, and that should be my combine pass. We'll see. It should be. I mean, $6 off. They might not let me, but we'll see. Anyway, um, did I target the wrong gap? I targeted. Oh, no, I didn't. All right, never mind. Um, anyway, that was not my entry. Where is my entry? My entry was go to inverses, and then I averaged out to be around right around this candle, which is right around here. And then I moved my stop as soon as I entered to right here to the slope. And that is the trade I took. Anyway, let's go through and see what I saw. So, looking at this, I saw the hourly broke structure to the upside. So, the 4 hour also broke structure. Anyway, our higher time frames, 4 hour, 1 hour, they were both in bullish market structure. Obviously, I was super cautious. I actually wanted to see shorts all day, but I couldn't find an entry. So I was obviously super cautious because the daily and the weekly are both in a downtrend right now. So I made sure to be patient, be cautious when looking for longs in a bearish market. Anyway, I saw the 4 and 1 hour break structure. Oh, by the way, I was just doing homework and I decided to check the charts and I saw something playing out, so I kept my eye on it. And what do you know? It came to play out. Anyway, 1 hour bullish, 4 hour bullish, daily, weekly bearish. Then I was really looking at the 15-minute a lot since it's later in the day. And I saw the 15-minute on ES break structure. So I was like, okay, we could see some shorts play out here in this fair value gap right here. Especially since we swept out some of this liquidity up here. I was willing to look for shorts. Then I saw this SMT get formed, 15-minute SMT from this low, I believe. No, it wasn't that. Where was it? Might have been the 5-minute. There was an SMT somewhere. You know that? Yeah, it's right here on this 5-minute. Nasdaq made a higher high. ES made a lower high right here. So I saw that. And then I obviously saw we inverse this 15-minute gap and this 5-minute gap on ES and on NASDAQ. So I was super ready to take longs. All I needed was a little retracement, which was right here. This candle had to close bearish, or else I wouldn't have been able to enter this trade. But we did close bearish, and we came into equilibrium at the same time, which was perfect. We just tapped the equilibrium, and then we delivered out of that. Also, one thing I forgot to mention was our liquidity sweep. We swept internal liquidity right here. We swept these low resistance lows, equal lows. We swept all of these lows out on NASDAQ, and then we swept even more out on ES. Low resistance, low resistance. And yeah, that was pretty much the whole trade. Also, I saw that we swept out London lows and another hourly lows about a couple hours ago, 12:30, so an hour ago. Actually, that might be, yeah, 3 hours ago. 2.5 hours ago, I saw that. So that was our last high time frame sweep. So I was still waiting for delivery off that into some sort of bearish confluence like this 30-minute gap we had, because we did not have any hourly, 4 hour, any of those gaps. So this was our largest, highest time frame gap we had. It was right here on NASDAQ. So that's what I targeted. And it was a easy 1 to 5, risked 1,000, made 1,500. That's all. That's how I pass my combines, is 2 trades max. If I fail it, I fail it. If not, I mean, the amount of money you can make unfunded is way more than what I pay, and I'm paying what, $50 for each combine. And then once you pass it, it's another 150, but it's pretty worth it to me to be able to trade with all this money. And obviously, I've only made one payout before, so I'm no pro. But taking days off really helped me. So, considering I blew account not last Friday, but the Friday before, and it was on my 4th day to a payout. So, anyway, I just wanted to jump on here and share this trade with you guys. Straight to TP. We had one little bearish candle. And yeah, it was a nice trade. Stress free, risk free. Not risk free, but stress free. And yeah, there's a balance of 1524. There's my total balance is 5294, and that's just after 2 days. Here are my stats. So that just brought my win-loss ratio down to 1.01, which, I mean, that's probably what my combine will be at, because I oversized my last trade. Not my last trade, but yesterday I oversized the trade, and it allowed me to make $2,300. So I took 2 trades yesterday, even though it says 4. And I took 1 trade today, even though it says 7. It's just how many times I press the buy button, basically. So, as you can see, these were all purchased at the same time today. 555 just a couple minutes after, because I was still figuring out my risk parameters. So that's perfect. Combines help you test that too, so that's a good thing. This is my trade from yesterday. Yeah, see how I made like 2,300 on one trade, which is just ridiculous. And that's the leverage I took. I think I was risking like 1,500, which I usually do not like to do. I got lucky though, it played out. So, and then obviously lost my first trade yesterday. So, if you just stick to your plan, good things happen. Stay disciplined. If you're losing discipline, losing focus, get away from the charts like I did. I got away from the charts. I actually did a 24-hour fast, and it felt like it cleared my mind. And I actually like trading fasted. I felt super focused. Especially today, I felt super disciplined. Like, was not willing to make stupid trades like I've done in the past. Anyway, I just wanted to come out here and show you that trade. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Um, depending on what we've got tomorrow. FOMC meeting minutes. Trump speaks at 10 tomorrow. Interesting. I don't know if I'm going to trade AM tomorrow. If Trump's speaking, I don't know about that. I don't really like to trade when Trump speaks. Oh, this is today? Oh, this is today. 10 a.m. Perfect. That means tomorrow. Holy crap. Alright, these are free market. So that's good. And yeah, I'll be trading tomorrow, but I won't be trading Friday. I'll be driving back to Michigan Friday. So anyway, let's see if this account has passed or not.